Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create an online store on Squarespace. Nothing hard, so let's get started. Here we are on our Squarespace main page. Click on log in if you are not new to this platform, or get started if you are new, so you'll have to create an account. In my case, I'm going to click on login, and after that I'll come to this page where I have my dashboard. You'll also come to this page after a couple of actions to create your profile on Squarespace. So after that, click on create the website in the right top corner to open a page where we can easily find some options we can add to Squarespace before even creating a template. But I'm going to click on skip to make it easier and to show you all the process. Click on basically click on choose a professional designed website template, finish. And after that, we'll come to this page where we just simply need to find the most suitable template as for us. As you can see, there are a lot of different templates, some of them free, some of them we need to pay for. But in order to make it easier to find an online store, just simply click on online store checkbox right up here. So now we have 10 best matches. We can easily use an online store. So you can also create it from scratch. I have another video about it, but in order to make it faster, I recommend it to use one of these templates because you can easily customize all the things, and I'll show you how to do it. So let's say if we want to use these templates right up here, so I'm going to click on it, click on start with this design. By the way, also we can choose a color palette for our website. We can try to click and to see is there something changes. You can see that the color of these button changes, and also we can change fonts color, the background color, and so on. So let's say that I want to use this one here. Click on start with this design, and after that in a few seconds we'll come to the next page where we have all the instruments to interact with our pages. So let's name it website 1. You can name it as you need, by the way. Let's click on next, 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 and get started. So here we are on our dashboard of the website. In the left side we have a menu where we can manage pages. We can find shop, our story page, journal, contact, and so on. In this case, we can easily interact with them. We can change some stuff, delete page, manage navigation, manage SEO, social images, and so on. So this is the way basically of how to interact with pages here. The next thing is styles, where we can change, as I already said, fonts, colors, button colors, forms, accessories, and so on. So it depends on your choice. Do you want to use it or not? So basically just simply try to play with these parameters. On sellings page, we can manage our products, orders, discounts, selling tools. So if you want to see more in-depth tutorials, I recommend you to see my other videos. In this case, I'm going to show you that we can easily go to products, click on add physical products, and after that, just simply manage product name, images, some additional information like price, stock number, and so on. After that, your product will be automatically added to your store, and then when you will launch your online store, you'll be able to see it right up there. The next thing that you need to know is that we can also manage marketing, contacts, analytics, scheduling, invoicing, and so on. So in order to interact with our design, just simply click on this button here, or we can go to our editing page, click on edit here, and after that you will be able to interact with every single part right up here. So you can find more in-depth tutorial about my editing page or editor stuff on my channel. So basically after that then you edit it, you can click on publish, and after that your website will be automatically published. In my case, I just simply need to click on this icon in the left top corner to open like the whole dashboard, and after that my website will be enabled. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye guys.